Let's talk about question 3. According to the question, we can draw a picture like this. And the first question is find the probability of x2 equal 1. There is two ways to get x2 equal 1. First, we can send 0 and then receive 1, and the second way is we send 1 and receive 1. And so we can do this. And the second question is to find the probability of x3 equal 1. In order to find this, we need to find out the probability of x2 equal 0. It is 1 and then we can get the final result. The reason we need to get the probability of x2 equal 0 is because there is two ways to get x3 equal 1. One way is x2 is 0 and we get x3 equal 1. And another way is x2 is 1 and we get x3 equal 1. And the third question is to find out the probability, the conditional probability of x1 equal 1, assuming x3 equal 1. In order to get this probability, first, we need to get the let's see that this is equal to the probability of x1 equal 0 and x3 equal 1. And so there is two parts. We just to find the value of each part and we can get the final result. The first part is we can add another stage of this picture. We are assuming this is step 1, step 2, and step 3. So if we want to get x3 equal 1, we can find 2 ways. The first way, with the start of 0, we can find 2 ways. The first way is this, and the second way is this. So we just need to get the probability of these 2 ways. The first way is then we can get the result is and from the second question, we know the answer of this part. So it is very easy to get the final result. The last question is find out when n tends to infinity, we need to find the probability of xn equal 0. To find out this, we need to find the how to express probability of xn equal 0. And we can find this kind of relationship with probability of x. There is 2 ways to get 0. These 2 ways. So we use these 2 ways to get the probability of xn equal 0. And if we write it more brief, we can get this. So we know the relationship with the probability x n equal 0 and the last x equal 0. So we can get And then if we write this again and again, we can find out this. We know this part equal to 0.2. So let's find out the result of this. Because n tends to infinity, this part is 0. And then the second part, we can get the result is let's see the result. Let me do it again. So we can find the result is 0.129.